genre? This one?
This one?
Romantic comedy. For those who need a little
Oh, hey! Hey, how's it going?
It's going good now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We've just been best friends for so long. We did so much stuff together.
I know we haven't been best friends very long, but you've got me through some of the hardest times in my life. You were there for me every day.
Remember that trip we took to Vegas? How about that, Ryan?
Remember those monthly trips we took to Cabo the last few months? They were the best times of my life.
All through the night, I'll make it up to you.
See.
We're shopping.
I think this is our favorite dress. And then,
This one looks so good.
okay, you all try to
This is kind of short, but I like it. What's my butt?
Little turbulence.
You'll be okay. Just sit first class. You'll be fine. It'll calm your nerves.
Just take a nap. We'll get there soon.
Fine!
Now, you need to find your seat.
Ah!